Glamping, short for glamorous camping, is a type of camping that combines the outdoor experience of camping with the luxury and amenities of a hotel or resort. Instead of sleeping in a traditional tent, glampers often stay in pre-pitched canvas tents, yurts, treehouses, or other types of luxury accommodations that are designed to be more comfortable and spacious than traditional camping setups. Glamping can include a variety of amenities, such as comfortable bedding, electricity, heating or air conditioning, private bathrooms, and even gourmet meals prepared by a chef. Some glamping sites may also offer recreational activities such as hiking, fishing, or kayaking, as well as on-site spa services and other luxury amenities. This glammed-up camping has become increasingly popular in recent years as a way for people to experience the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort and luxury. It is often seen as a way for people who may not be comfortable with traditional camping to experience nature in a more comfortable and accessible way. But did you know, you could even go on your own glammed-up type of camping trip? If you are in the USA, check out a number of great campgrounds by going to recreation.gov. You will want to note the fire hazards since dry seasons increase risk of wildfires, but never fear, there are still a number of ways to have fun even if they are not allowing campfires. I hope you enjoy learning and maybe even setting up your own glamping adventure. Check out my affiliates in the description section to get you started on planning your very own glamping adventure. So let's get started. What do I need to do to prepare for my own glamping trip? The first step in planning a glamping trip is to choose a location that suits your interests and preferences. Glamping accommodations can be found in a variety of settings, including national parks, private campgrounds, and remote wilderness areas. Are there resorts that offer glamping? Yes. When I think of resort glamping, I think of luxury. Palace Resorts offers glamping at some of their properties. They have the unique luxury tent concept called glamorous camping or glam camping, which provides a luxurious camping experience. The Palace Resorts glamping tents are typically located in beautiful beachfront locations and feature high-end amenities like air conditioning, private bathrooms, comfortable bedding, and personalized butler service. Some of the tents even have private plunge pools or hot tubs, and all offer stunning views of the surrounding scenery. Palace Resorts currently offers glamping at their Moon Palace Cancun and LeBlanc Spa Resort Los Cabos properties in Mexico, as well as at their Moon Palace Jamaica property in Ocho Rios. If you're interested in glamping at a Palace Resorts property, check the affiliate link in the description. When you book a glamping experience at a Palace Resorts property in Jamaica, you're in for the time of your life. Whether you're looking to explore Jamaica's beautiful beaches and lush jungles, or simply relax and unwind in a luxurious tented camp, Palace Resorts has everything you need for the ultimate glamping adventure. Other popular destinations. Glamping accommodations can be found at a variety of locations, from national parks and wilderness areas to private resorts and state park campsites. The cost of glamping can vary widely depending on the location, type of accommodation, and level of luxury provided. Yellowstone is one of the most popular national parks in the United States and offers a variety of glamping options, including canvas tents, cabins, and yurts. There are a few options for glamping within the park, including canvas tent cabins and luxury yurts. Some of the popular areas for glamping in Yellowstone include the Lake Yellowstone Hotel and the Under Canvas Yellowstone. Glamping is a great way to experience the beauty of Yellowstone while still enjoying some of the comforts of home. Joshua Tree is a stunning desert park located in Southern California. Visitors can stay in luxury tents or cabins that offer amazing views of the park's unique landscape. Yosemite is another popular national park in the United States that offers a range of glamping accommodations, from canvas tents to luxury cabins. Banff is a beautiful national park located in the Canadian Rockies. Visitors can stay in luxury tents, yurts, or cabins and enjoy hiking, kayaking, and other outdoor activities. Glamping safaris have become increasingly popular in Africa, offering a luxurious way to experience the continent's amazing wildlife. Visitors can stay in luxury tents or lodges while on safari, enjoying gourmet meals and breathtaking views of the African wilderness. Glamping di Dieng is a luxury camping experience located in the Dieng Plateau area of Central Java, Indonesia. They offer various types of accommodations, ranging from luxurious tents with plush beds and private bathrooms to traditional Javanese joglo houses equipped with modern facilities. Guests can enjoy activities such as hiking, exploring the nearby temples and lakes, and relaxing in natural hot springs. These are just a few examples of popular glamping destinations. There are many more glamping options available around the world, from remote wilderness areas to private resorts and retreats. As a glamper, I'm always on the lookout for new and exciting places to set up glamp. State parks are a popular option. Private campgrounds often have amenities that state parks don't, such as swimming pools, hot tubs, and game rooms. National forests offer miles of scenic trails, stunning vistas, and secluded campsites for a more rustic glamping experience. Many vineyards now offer glamping accommodations among their vines, giving you the opportunity to wake up to picturesque views and indulge in wine tastings. Some beaches allow camping, and there's nothing quite like falling asleep to the sound of waves crashing. Remember to always check with the location beforehand to ensure that glamping is allowed and to obtain any necessary permits if required. The lighting. One of the relaxing and fun things about glamping are the varieties of lighting that can be used to successfully chill out a good glamp. Having proper lighting is an essential part of glamping, especially if you're planning to stay in an area without access to electricity. In this case, investing in a portable solar power generator is an excellent option as it can provide you with a reliable source of power for your lights and other devices. A solar power generator is a device that uses solar panels to convert sunlight into electricity. It stores this energy in a battery, which you can then use to power your lights and other electronic devices. Here are a few things you should consider when choosing a solar power generator for your glamping trip. Portability. Since you'll be glamping or camping, you'll need a solar power generator that is easy to transport. Look for one that is lightweight and compact so that it won't take up too much space in your vehicle. Not to mention, solar generators are silent and they don't need gas. Power output. The power output of a solar power generator will determine how many devices you can charge at once. Make sure to choose one that has enough power to run all the lights and devices you plan to bring on your trip. Battery life. The battery life of your solar power generator will determine how long you can use your lights and other devices before needing to recharge. Look for one with a long battery life so that you won't have to worry about running out of power in the middle of the night. Check links in the description to anything I am mentioning. I am partnered with a number of leading affiliates so that I can pass the information along to you, so that you can have all of your glamping preparations in one spot. So, what are some popular items I should pack for my own glamp? If you're planning to set up your own glamp, there are a few popular items that can help make your experience more comfortable and enjoyable. Here are some suggestions. A tent is a must-have for any camping trip, and you'll want to choose one that's spacious enough to accommodate your glamping setup. The most popular for glamping is called a yurt, but any nice-sized tent would be perfect. An air mattress is a great way to elevate your sleeping situation and ensure a good night's rest. You'll want to bring bedding that's comfortable and cozy, such as sheets, blankets, and pillows. String lights, lanterns, tiki torches, and candles can all add to the ambience of your glamp and provide necessary lighting at night. Adding decorative elements like rugs, throw pillows, and wall hangings can help create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Depending on your glamping setup, you may want to bring a camp stove, cookware, and utensils to prepare meals. Comfortable chairs or a hammock can be a great addition to your glamping setup, allowing you to relax and enjoy the outdoors. These are just a few popular items to consider bringing on your glamping adventure. Pack appropriately. Even though glamping is considered more luxurious than traditional camping, you will still need to pack appropriately for your trip. Be sure to bring comfortable clothing, sturdy shoes, and any necessary gear for outdoor activities. You may also want to pack items like a flashlight, insect repellent, and sunscreen. Don't forget to also pack essentials like food, water, and clothing appropriate for the weather conditions. Speaking of which, what are some good meal options? Many resort-hosted glamping sites offer on-site dining options, so be sure to consider your meal options when planning your trip. Some resorts may provide gourmet meals prepared by a chef, while others may have a communal kitchen where you can prepare your own meals. If you are planning your own private glamping adventure, you will want to pack as if it were a camping trip, for the exception. You are glamping, so you might want some of those more cozy creature comforts. When it comes to glamping meals, the possibilities are endless, and it really depends on your preferences and what cooking equipment you have available. However, here are some popular meal options that are easy to prepare and perfect for glamping. Breakfast burritos. Pre-cook scrambled eggs, bacon, and hash browns, and bring them with you to the campsite. Warm up the ingredients in a skillet and wrap them in a tortilla for a delicious breakfast burrito. Cheeses can be a great option for glamping. It's a tasty and versatile snack that can be enjoyed on its own or paired with other foods like crackers, bread, and fruit. Make sure to store the cheese in a cooler with plenty of ice packs, and keep it in the coldest part of the cooler. Hard cheeses like cheddar, Gouda, and Parmesan tend to hold up better in outdoor temperatures than soft cheeses like Brie or Camembert. Consider bringing a variety of cheeses to suit different tastes and dietary restrictions. Chocolates can be a great addition to your glamping trip. They are a delicious and sweet snack to enjoy while camping, and they also make a thoughtful gift if you're traveling with others. Plus, they can be easily stored in a cooler or dry box to ensure they stay fresh during your trip. Foil-wrapped meals. Take your favorite protein, vegetables, and seasoning, wrap them in foil, and cook them over the campfire. You can create different flavor combinations like lemon herb chicken, garlic butter shrimp, or veggie stir-fry. Grilled burgers or hot dogs. You can't go wrong with classic campfire food like burgers and hot dogs. Grill them over the campfire, and serve them with all the fixings like cheese, bacon, onions, and condiments. One-pot meals. Bring a large pot or Dutch oven and make a one-pot meal like chili, stew, or pasta. These meals are easy to prepare, and you can feed a large group of people. Grilled vegetables. Cut up your favorite vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and onions, and grill them over the campfire. Season them with olive oil, salt, and pepper for a healthy and delicious side dish. S'mores. No camping trip is complete without s'mores. Bring graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate, and roast the marshmallows over the campfire to make this classic dessert. Steaks. If you're comfortable cooking steak over an open flame and you have the necessary equipment to do so, then bringing a few steaks can be a delicious addition to your glamping trip. You may also want to consider bringing along some seasonings or marinades to enhance the flavor of the steak, as well as a meat thermometer to ensure it's cooked to your liking. Of course, you will want to make sure you store your steaks in a cooler so they don't go bad in transit. One popular prep for your glamping adventure would be a tasty selection of wine if you're looking to enjoy a relaxing evening by the campfire or have a special occasion. Just like with cheese, it's important to keep the wine properly chilled in a cooler with ice packs or frozen water bottles. You may also want to consider bringing along a wine opener and appropriate glasses for serving. If you're concerned about the weight or fragility of glass bottles, consider bringing boxed wine or canned wine instead. Be sure to check the alcohol policies of the campsite or park where you'll be staying to ensure that alcohol is allowed and any restrictions on consumption or disposal are followed. Remember to pack ingredients that are easy to store, transport, and cook. And don't forget the necessary cooking equipment, such as a portable stove, utensils, and a cooler to keep your food fresh. Once you have chosen your location, you'll need to select your accommodations. Glamping accommodations can range from pre-pitched canvas tents to luxury yurts or cabins, so choose an option that suits your preferences and budget. There are many different types of accommodations available when planning a glamping trip, ranging from DIY options to resort-style luxury tents. Here are some of the most common types of glamping accommodations. DIY glamping. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, you can try creating your own DIY glamping experience. This might involve setting up a tent or teepee in a scenic location and bringing along some basic amenities like a portable stove, comfortable bedding, and outdoor seating. Yurts are the circular, or domed tents that originated in Central Asia. Luxury resort glamping tents are designed to provide a luxurious camping experience with all the amenities of a hotel room. These tents utilize real beds with high-quality linens, electricity, heating and cooling systems, and private bathrooms with hot water showers. Today, they are popular for glamping, offering a unique and cozy space with plenty of room for a comfortable bed and other amenities. Treehouses provide a one-of-a-kind glamping experience, allowing you to sleep high up in the treetops surrounded by nature. Treehouses can range from basic structures to luxurious accommodations with electricity, running water, and even hot tubs. Glamping cabins offer a more traditional experience with the added luxury of indoor plumbing, electricity, and comfortable furnishings. For the ultimate luxury glamping experience, many resorts offer glamping tents and cabins with high-end amenities like gourmet meals, spa treatments, and private butler service. When planning your glamping trip, consider your budget, the level of luxury you're looking for, and the type of environment you want to be in. Whether you prefer a DIY approach or a resort-style experience, there are plenty of options available to help you create the perfect glamping adventure. I hope that this video has piqued your interest enough to plan your own glamping adventure. Whether you are looking for luxurious glamping, or the private do-it-yourself glamping, I assure you will have a wonderful time. Be sure to check the links in the description for many of your glamping needs. While you are there, be sure to click like and subscribe to boost my algorithms, and to get more updates on fun things to go and do. Thanks for watching. Happy adventuring!